Hello guys, hello, my name is Yelena, welcome back to my channel. Today we gonna do very simple children's cake. It will be all in buttercream. So here's my cake. This is 10-inch round, so it's quite large cake, all nice crumb coated, and I'm gonna go ahead and go with the knife around and trim anything that sticks out, so make sure it's nice and smooth. And I'm gonna do star tip all over it, but I'm gonna crumb coat it in a background color, so the cake will be all yellow. So I'm gonna crumb coat very thin layer of the yellow icing underneath, so white will not be peeking through, and that way we don't have to spend too much time on icing it. All right, so here's my star tip number 18, and I'm gonna just pipe shell border all over the sides. So I'm gonna start from the bottom, and I'm gonna slow this part down so you can see. So this is just my normal speed, so just a regular shell border, nice and not too puffy, but just enough so it's you can see it's a little shell. All right, now second layer, second row, I'm gonna put in a between of each shell, so it will be kind of staggered look, and exact the same motion, the same size. Make sure that all the same size. Go ahead, pipe another row, just like so. See how it kind of looks? All right, just make sure, control your speed, don't rush, just like that. And then each next layer, I'm just gonna speed this one up, just continue to stagger the rows all the way to the top. All right. Don't you wish in real life that you can ice cakes the same speed? Oh, I wish it was true like that. Wouldn't be nice. But anyhow, so we'll just go ahead and do all that. So here's my top layer, and I'm gonna draw or sketch face with a toothpick on top, so I kind of know where its mouth goes and cheeks and eyes, and that way I kind of will have an idea. If you haven't guessed already, but you probably by now already saw the thumbnail, so it will be Pokemon face. So, and from here I'm gonna do the same star tip, just a little smaller size, and I'm just gonna outline what I drew with the toothpick. Again, just make sure eyeball proportions and if I like it. And just from the straight from the bag, I'm gonna fill in details in black. Continue yellow from the bag, so it's a star tip, and then give it texture. Like I said, it's very easy cake. Just like that. The ears, I just cut out freehand fondant, and I put the skewers inside and let it dry for a couple days. And I'm gonna do the same star tip on top part of the ears and on the sides. I'm not gonna decorate the back side of it. All right, straight from the bag, we'll fill in cheeks, just like that. And you can use another star tip for that. I thought this will be fine just from the bag, and I'm just doing little squeeze, little dots, kind of like a with the tip, only no tip, basically. So I thought it will be fine. And we're gonna finish the top of the ears with black as well. And make sure it goes on the side. So if you turn the cake on the side, so it's kind of a little covered, so it looks cleaner. All right, the little light spots for the eyes, so he looks a little more lovely. All right, and here's the final cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very nice and easy, just one tip, And if you don't have it, you don't even have to use it. You can always do just rough texture on top with a spatula or spoon. Here's the final look of the ears and the face and the texture on the side. I really liked how the way it looks. It almost looks like basket weave, only was simpler, and you don't have to worry about the pattern. And yeah, that should do it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye. Love you so much.